Well, to tell you a little bit about me, I'm an American. I've lived here for 15 years. I'm originally from New York, and I've been doing theater since I was a little girl. Now I teach English as a second language and try and use as much of my theater as I can with that, but I also direct a lot of amateur productions in the region. My partner is from Heuvelland, so he has exposed me to all that Heuvelland has to offer. Theater is everything to me. My father raised me. He used to read me Shakespeare as my bedtime stories when I was little. So for me, theater is a normal part of life. I've been going to see plays since I could walk, and I acted in my first play when I was 6 or 7 years old. If I'm not doing theater, I'm thinking about theater. And it's a real privilege to be able to do that every day. I think as an ambassador, my biggest goal is to open the Parkstad Limburg Theater up to expats who live in the area. I know that for me, it took me a long time to find the different cultural events and performance venues in the region when I didn't speak any of the language. Now that I do, I know what's out there, but there are so many people that come to this region that are only here for a year or two, and I think it's such a shame that they don't have the opportunity to see what this theater has to offer.